Hello, good evening. Na pinakita karon nga viral video sa usa ka criminology students nga nag-facilitate o gitawag nato nga reception rights kay sa akong nabantayan karon is there are so many criminology or schools who have criminology course that allows what we call as reception rights. So what I can say is that ako mismo when I was in my college days as criminology students, I also wanted or I also like to experience those kind of um, activity. But the question is, what are the positive effect and the negative effects of that activity? So naba siya mga positive effect and negative effect. So usa sa akong hunahunaan na positive effect is that ma-experience na sa mga students kung unsa, what type of training they will be undergoing in case they will pass the board exam or they have the eligibility and they successfully uh, entered in the different law enforcement agencies in the Philippines. Sana siya. And then one thing is that makapahimural, I think, makapahimural ni siya sa mga students, criminal students. So, kung naamoy lain ng mga positive effects with regards to this said activity. So, feel free to comment down below kung sa man na sila ng mga positive effects. Kaya for now, marago na akong mahunanaan. And then, let's go to the possible negative effects. So, unsa may possible ng mga negatibong epekto ani. So, first na point nako is ang kanang students nga ning-facilitate sa activity na ba na siya relevant trainings and schoolings with regards to on how to handle the said activity. Kay sa training center sa training, our EIs or what we call as assistant instructors have relevant or several trainings and schoolings before they can handle a trainee. So, ingana po na dapat kung ang school ni allow sa mga senior criminology students to handle that said activity. There should be, ano man, in training nami gitawag og program of instruction. So dili lang na siya ingon nga singhag-singhag diha, di lang na ingon nga dagan-dagan diha, push up diha, natay gitawag nga program of instruction. So ang question karon is kanang mga students karon kaning facilitates activity na ba sila gisunod nga program of instruction or wala, ila-ilaha lang. And then next point is those first year students who participated in the reception rights, have they undergone thorough medical examination prior to the said activity? Ano man, kami mga officers, police officers, pag undergo na mo training is before me nakasunod sa service is they undergo me a thorough medical and physical examination. So gi-check ang mata, among ngipon, among dunggan, most especially ang mga vital organs, heart, kidney, lungs, uh, apil pa mo ang private organ And then, also, kung wala ba yung mga bali-bali sa bukod. So, unsa may possible may tabo kung dili nimo i-check thoroughly, nya mo undergo og nga strenuous or rigorous training. Kay for example, excuse, for example, one of the students who participated in the reception rites has a heart problem, but he or she did not divulge it to the facilitator because he wanted or he dreamed to become a criminologist, di ba? So, unsa may natabo, ni-undergo siya, iyang gipugos ang galingon ug undergo sa training, and then, simba ko na yung mahitabo niya. Who will take the blame? What are the possible liabilities? Based sa akong nakita, natay possible ang mga possible liabilities, pwede ang criminal, pwede ang civil, o pwede ang administrative liability. So, ang ako lang is, it's okay man kung natay reception rights, but not to the point na ang ato ang reception rights is ato ang itupong sa reception rights sa mga officer who undergo training or military training. There should be a big difference. For me, it's okay lang ang light exercises. For me, focus more on the academic. Ayaw pasagdi ang physical exercises, it's okay. But focus more on the academics. Build your foundation while you're in first year, up to fourth year. Kay kung wala kay foundation, dili ka makapasar sa board exam, wala kay eligibility. So, unsa man to pag enter sa service? Unsa man to pag undergo sa training? So, ang inyong undergo nga rigorous reception rights in first year will be useless. Understood? So, makaroon pa siya. O, daghang salamat.